Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy channel. In this video, we are going to see about what is the price action and how to start trading with the price action strategies. And I will be explaining you in this video about my first price action strategy number 1. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button. Then only you will be getting our every updated videos. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, click on the description link and join our Telegram channel to see all our indicator performance till now. Okay, before moving on to the price action strategies, we need to understand what is the price action trading first of all. Okay, let's see what is the price action trading means. The price action is a method of billable negotiations in the analysis of basic movements of the price. That means we are predicting the market to move towards the buyer side or seller side at the current price movements. This is the main thing in price action. If you want to become a price action trader, you need to predict the market to move at which level it will be moving and which price it is moving towards the buyer side or seller side, and you need a best entry and exit in the trades. Price action is simply how prices change, the action of price. It is readily observed in the market where liquidity and price volatility are highest. That means you need to identify where the buyers will be in more power and where the sellers will be in more power, and which particular price the market will be giving you more liquidity and price volatility. That means the price will be more volatile. It will be after some conditions of price action, the market will be moving more powerful towards the buyer side or seller side. The price volatility will be more highest. You need to identify where the price action movements will be higher. This is the type of method called as price action. This is one of the technical analysis. Okay, we are analyzing the market to move towards the buyers or seller side according to the price action trading. In the updated videos, you will be getting more price action strategies, and in this video we are going to see our first price action strategy.
Okay traders, before moving on to our price action strategy, we need to understand how the candlesticks are forming and how to understand the formation of the candlesticks. See here, there are two types of candles. One is red candle, another one is green candle. The red candle is open here only. See here, this is the open of the red candle, and it has been made a high, and again it has been made a low, and it has been closed here. So after the close only you can consider which is the body part of the candle and which is the shadow or wick part of the candle. Okay, you can see the wick here. It has been made, it has been gone here, and again it has been gone to the downside low, and again it has been closed here only. So after the close we can consider this is the body of the candle and this is the wick of the candle. Okay, and for the green candle, it has been started in the downside open, it has been open here, and it has been closed above. Whenever the candle closes above, it is considered as a green candle, which shows that the buyers has been win that candle. That means the buyers made into a success. So only the candle has been ended with a buy side. That means bullish candle. It is formed. It has been opened here and it has been closed here with a green candle. So we are saying this candle has a more bullish and this candle has a more bearish. Okay, and whenever you are getting a some high or some low and but the candle is not closed there, this type of part is considered as a wick and this type of part is considered as a body. Okay,
Till now in our video we have seen how the candlesticks are forming, and we have seen about how the green candle is forming and red candle is forming, and we have also understood what is the wicks and what is the body of the candle. This is the main thing you need to understand to start our trading with our price action strategy number 1. Okay, let's include one of the price action tool to start trading. We need our CPR. We need CPR. CPR is considered a central pivot range. We need a CPR range, and with support and resistance. So I am going to include CPR range plus support and resistance now. See here, now I have included CPR by kgs indicator with central pivot range CPR and R1, R2, R3, R4 resistance, and for support S1, S2, S3 and S4 I have included here, and I have also included previous day high, previous day low as the yellow color or orange color. See here. First of all, to start our strategy number 1, you need to include this every tools. Till now in our every videos we have seen our charts only moving around without any support and resistance or without any CPR range, but while entering into the price action strategy you need to understand every movements of the market is moving around only price action only. So we have included our best price action tool CPR here and resistance and support here. We are going to see the best high accuracy trades here. We are not going to take every trades of price action. We are going to filter a best trades, according to that only we are going to take trades. First of all, we need to understand what is the perfect breakouts first of all. See here, now I have opened 26th February 2021 chart with a 5 minutes time frame in Bank Nifty. You can see here the market has been moving around in the starting candle 5 minutes. The market has been moving around S3. See here, this is S3 support 3. So the market has been started above the support 3 and it has been made to a red candle and it is again and again taking support. This is a consolidation zone. The market is taking more consolidation around our support 3. See here, you can perfectly see. Till now if you have not included the levels, means you cannot understand how the market is moving around. Now you can understand the market is moving around this support zone only. Okay, after when we are going to take trades, somebody will be taking trades in every breakouts, but they don't know how to take a perfect breakout. Sometimes the breakout will be happen, again the market will be returned back. And how to consider the perfect breakouts and start trade means you need to consider the each and every candles for the breakouts. If the first candle has been not breakout perfectly, you need a perfect breakouts with the candles. There should be no retracements. This is the main thing. There should be no retracement in the levels, because the levels will not be breaked out till now. In this case, the first candle has been made more rejection, but the red candle has been made till now, but it has been more rejected towards the support S3. So you need to consider for the next candle, you need to consider for the breakout till now you need to consider this low as the breakout. So we are going to mark this low. See here, we are going to mark this level. First of all, if you are marking this level, in the next candle it has been fixed here only. We need to consider the breakout as after this level breakout only, because this low only is considered till now as a perfect breakout. So there is no breakout in this zone, and again the candle has been break here, the candle has been closed and it has been reached our next level. Okay, this is the breakout consideration. For every breakouts you need to consider the wick. See here, in this case the market has been moved here. Okay, in the first in this 1025 candle it has been made a low, and the next candle there is no breakout, it has been finished here itself. And if you are moving to this candle, you can see it has been made another low. Okay, so we need to wait till this low should be breaked and closed with the body of the candle, then only you can go for a short or long. So if in this case we are going to make a short, because the market is moving downside, and if you want to take a breakout trades, means you can take trades, but this is not high accuracy trades. If you are taking a breakout trades in every levels, it's not high accuracy. I will be explaining you what are the high accuracy breakout trades also. First of all, we can consider how the breakouts are happening and how to consider the perfect breakouts. See here, till now the breakout is not happened, and in this candle it has been the body has been closed very perfectly below this zone. Okay, So the market has been somebody has been the big buyers or the big seller has been made a sell position here, and again the market has been rallied till now. It has been given a breakouts movements, but these breakouts will be giving you more traps in markets. Please consider only the perfect breakouts as the previous day high, previous day low breakouts only. Okay, if the market is only moving around this zone, the market is more sideways, you can consider the market is moving in this day the market is moving around one particular zone only. You need to consider the previous day high and previous day low breakouts in the morning or any timing you can consider, but your target will be the nearest levels only. This is the main condition. If the target is more near means you no need to take trades, wait for the next day. This is the high probable entries. You can start trading you can see the back test till now. See here, now we are seeing 24th February. The market has been started around CPR range and it has been break the CPR, and again it has been taking a retest here, and again the market is rallying up. Till now our entry has been not made in this candles. Okay, in this candle the market has been rejecting in a previous day high. See here, the previous day high is perfectly noted here with the orange level, and the previous day high is rejecting the candles, and the next candle it has been, see here, in this day the market has been stopped for few hours, and again it has been started. So the timing is moving around 3:35 around. See here, again after some times the market has been started near to the previous day high, and again there is no breakout. We are marking every highs. Till now there is no breakout in our levels. Till now there is no perfect breakout in our levels. See here, this candle has been breaked every weeks till now. Till now it has been breaked every highs. So we are considering the breakout as this candle. So we need to place a market order, or if you are a more efficient trader, you will be taking entries only this level also. You can place order, but sometimes it will be taking your order, or sometimes it will be moving around. You need to take in future or option, and anything you can take trades, but you need to consider the main thing as after the breakout consideration of a previous day high and a previous day low. This is one of the high probable entries, but your entry here only, and your target will be the next nearest level, nearest R1 or support one. If the market is breaking the previous day low means you can consider your first target as the support, and in this case the market has been broken the previous day high, so we are taking an entry and we are fixing the targets to the nearest R1. We are going to see how many trades we have got for 1 month. See here, in this case it has been rejected morely, so we are not going to take in this low breakout. Low, it's not breakout till now, and we are marking the low till now, and there is no breakouts. And sometimes in this case the market has been the level is more somewhat near only, so it has been reached, but we need to consider if the levels has been more wide away means the first target will be more wide away means you need to consider the half of the levels. If this level and level in resistance one is more greater means, or nearest resistance is more far away means, you need to consider the half of the level. Okay, see here, this is the half of the level from this level and this level, this is the half, so we need to consider the target as this only. Okay, for the wider range only. Till now in this range the market is only moving around small cost only, so the level is so near only, so you can fix your targets to the nearest level. See here, we are moving around 23rd February. It has been rejected the candles, and it has been again and again taking support in the previous day low. So till now the previous day low is not broken, so we have not entered in this day. See here, now we are seeing 22 February. You can perfectly see here, in the first candle itself we have got a breakout. If you are making a market order here, your stop loss will be in the before candle high. Before candle somewhat you need to keep your stop loss. Stop loss is very must for every professional traders. Please keep stop loss for every trades, then only you can keep your money safely and you can exit, and you will be having more chances to take trades in the next days. If you are not keeping a stop loss, if the market, we could not fight with the market. We are not a big buyers or big sellers to fight with the market. If you are a more huge quantity buyer, or you can turn the market, you can start fighting with market. But if you are a safe trader, you need to keep a stop loss perfectly. For every strategies you need to follow the stop loss. See here, in this strategy the market has been closed below the previous day low, and we are going to enter in the next candle. But you have again got the candles here. If you have taken entry here, your stop loss will be more low. If you have taken entry here, your stop loss will be more high. But sometimes you will not be getting these retest entries, but the more high probable entry is, if you are getting a retest entry, you can start trade. See here, if you are getting a retest entry here, your stop loss will be here and your target will be here. Your risk is 1% and your reward is 2%. Okay, see here, again we have entered here or here, and the target has been reached in this candle. Till now we should be more patient till now the target has been reached or not. Okay, and now we are going towards 19th February. See here, the first candle itself, it has been rejected. The market has been started above and it has been reached the, it has been breaked out and reached the first level. First target has been reached, so we are not taking trade in this day, because in the first candle itself it has been breaked and reached the nearest level. See here, this is one of the another day. We have got a low in this candle and we are marking for the previous day low. Till now in this candle also it has been made a low, and again it has been breaked here, but the target has been reached here. Okay traders, please consider this strategy as a best strategy. You can test in every markets. Please backtest our strategy number 1. You will be getting every other price action strategy with our price action course. If you need to understand what are the main things in the market and how the market is moving around, for each and every candle you can start a prediction, and you can easily understand how the market is moving around for each and every candle. If you want to start your journey with our JJP Trading Academy channel, register for our price action course, register for our advanced price action course. Then only you can understand what are the market situation and how the price action is playing a vital role in the market. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, join through the description link. Then only you will be getting our every daily post of our indicator, and we will be posting about our every informations in our Telegram channel only.
Okay traders, see here, now I have opened the Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame of 25th March 2021. You can see here in the first candle, 9:15 candle, when the market starts from the CPR, it has been broke out perfectly the previous day low. So we have got the entry here and we have fixed the target to the support 1 zone. You can see here the support 1 level has been reached perfectly and our target has been reached perfectly. Okay, and whenever you are getting this strategy of previous day low and previous day high breakouts, we need to consider the main condition as your target of S1 should be the nearest target and the R1 should be the nearest target. See, in this condition, when the previous day high has been broke down, means the resistance level is below the previous day high. So whenever you are getting this type of scenario, we need to avoid the trades, because our target will not be reached to the R2 perfectly. Our target will sometimes it may be reversed and it will not be reaching the target of R2. Whenever you are taking the trades according to the previous day high and previous day low breakout, we need to consider the main thing as our target to be the first level. That means the support 1 and the resistance 1. Okay, you can see the back test also. Some days we are getting the previous day low and previous day high to be broke out, but the target will not be reached at that day because of the this condition only, because the resistance will be the below of the previous day high, or the support will be above of the previous day low. So please avoid that type of trades and do the back test for every strategies, because whenever you are getting the instructions of the strategies and understanding the strategy instructions, after we need to do the perfect back test, then only we can be more efficient in the trades. Then only you can understand the accuracy of the trades and be confident in the live market. Okay traders, do the back test of this trade. This is our first strategy. This is the basic strategy for every, this is followed by every traders till now in market. So you can easily trade according to this strategy. This is a very easily understandable strategy. Okay traders, now we are in our end of the video. In this video we have covered about the how the candles are forming, about to the buy side and sell side as the first thing, and we have also understood about the breakout confirmation. This is the main thing for every levels. Every levels traders will be using this strategy as the best breakout confirmation strategies. And we have also seen about the previous day high, previous day low breakout. This is the basic strategy followed for many years in market. You can see the backtest perfectly and make efficient trades according to this strategy. And in the updated videos you will be getting more best strategies, including this. This is one of the basic strategy used by many traders. So I have included this strategy as the first strategy. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, click on the description link and join our Telegram channel first of all. Then only you can see about our JJP powerful indicator performance till now. Our indicator is working very perfectly. Our indicator will be providing you the easy buy sell signals, and we have many signals in our indicator to start trading as a beginner. And if you want to trade like a professional trader, you just purchase our indicator first of all. Our indicator will be more useful for you to be intimating the live market about the every turns of the market. And you can also see our every indicator performance in our Telegram channel. And if you want to go on through our advanced price action course, you can get access with our indicator for lifetime, and you will be joined to our advanced price action course. Through that you can easily understand what are all the strategies included with the market, and you can easily predict each and every candles in market and start trading easily. And if you are a stock trader, after getting access with our indicator or advanced price action course, you will be joined to our Telegram channel. In that Telegram channel we will be posting, that is a private Telegram channel for our clients. In that we will be posting every daily stock alerts live market. Through that you can easily understand where the stock signal has been came and start trading according to that signals alone. We will be intimating the signals in the live market, where the signals has been came in which stock according to the name of the stock, and we will be saying about the signal where the buy signal or sell signal. So according to that you can see the TradingView platform and include our indicator, and after confirmation you can easily start trading with our indicator signals in stocks also. If you are an index trader also, our indicator will be more useful for you. Okay, thank you traders. We will be seeing on the next video. Stay tuned.